I'm Morgan Short, Director of Content and Web Strategy here at Vendavo. This is Frederick Waithe from Dentsply Sirona.
Hello.
We're here at the Growth and Profitability Summit. Frederick, thank you so much for taking a minute.
Thank you.
So you were just on the panel,
Yes.
Pricing Without Walls, Tearing
Yes.
Down Silos. What advice would you have for other people in similar roles about tearing down silos in your organization?
Yeah, I think it was said pretty well on the panel, but definitely don't wait for perfection. You know, take the opportunity, seize the opportunity, and, you know, I like to say be the lightning rod. You know, be the one that channels the energy of the organization and takes advantage of the opportunity.
So Frederick, tell me a little bit about how you're enjoying GPS so far.
Oh, I love it. Anytime I get to sit with other people that are into the same things, it's good meeting of the minds, and it really re-energizes me. Takes things that I can take back to the organization when I get home. So it's great.
Absolutely. So
Yep.
you'd recommend other
Absolutely.
customers come?
I think it should be a requirement. If you're implementing, you should be around other customers that have gone through what you've gone through and can kind of share best practices and insights. So this is great.
Tell me one challenge that you're facing in your role today.
I think one of the biggest things is understanding all the competing priorities around the organization and really being a champion for pricing and the types of projects that, you know, pricing needs to do. That's always a challenge in getting the day job done at the same time. It can be hectic at times, but if you can kind of center yourself and understand how are you contributing to the goals of the organization, I think that helps a lot.
Great. And one last question for you, Frederick. Looking ahead,
Yes.
lots of trends going on in pricing.
Yes.
What's something that you're thinking about going forward?
Absolutely. We're thinking about how do we take advantage of our organization's momentum in the AI space and leverage that for new pricing initiatives.
That's great. AI is huge right now.
Yes.
So I'm thinking about it too in my own role.
Good.
Appreciate the time, Frederick.
Thank you.
Thanks again for sitting down for a quick fireside chat here at
Sure.
GPS.
Thank you very much.